Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is YAHMAD. So we will continue looking at JavaScript in this set of videos. Just let me zoom in on my page. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be using JavaScript to display a particular picture in this video. So before I do anything, I need to just go to my folder. And what I'm going to do is create a new folder for this particular task. And I'm going to call it T3. What I'm going to do is just move some pictures into that folder as well. So maybe I'll just move all of these three into that folder. So T3. Okay, so make sure when you are doing this task, you have your pictures and then your HTML saved into the same folder. If not, it's not going to work properly. So task 3, call it T3 for short. Done. Okay, so again, what we have here is the HTML. Okay, I've just zoomed in so you can see a little bit better. And we're going to be adding some content into the body section of this HTML page. So since the pictures you've seen them, they're about fruits, we can include a title, H1, well, we can just put fruits as a title, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to now insert an image tag, so img, short for image, okay? And I'm going to close it right now because we don't have the picture yet, okay? But we're going to be using an ID to identify to a particular picture. So what I'm going to call my first ID is going to be Apple, or call it AP, short for Apple, okay? And then what I'm going to do also is I'm going to copy this. We're going to make another identifier, but this time for the orange. Okay, so if I was to preview this, guys, nothing's going to happen yet, okay, until we've added some script. So let's just quickly have a look to see what happens if I save and go to Chrome. So we can see we've got the title here, but nothing else right now. So let's add the script. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to be using what we're using in previous videos, and we're going to type in here document.getElementById. So we want to refer to this IDs here. Okay, and which ID we're going to be looking at first? We're going to be looking at AP. And this time, what do we want to insert here? So we need to refer to the image source. So we type in .src, okay, equals, so this is the source of the picture, and now the name of the picture that we would like to insert here. So I'm going to type here apple.jpg, that's the file format. And let's see if this works. Let me just click on File, Save. Let me save this page again into the same folder. There you go. You can see the apples appeared. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy and paste this. And we're going to refer to this ID here, OR for the orange, and type in here orange instead. .jpg. Save. Let's go to the browser. And you can see we've got two fruits here. Okay. Now what we can do is we can format these pictures. We can change the size. So let's go ahead and do that. So document get elements by ID. We want to refer to the AP, Apple. Okay. And dot width equals, let's make it 200 pixels. We're not going to put pixels. We're just going to put 200 as a number. And also for the height as well. And we'll do the same thing for both of the fruits. We'll resize them Whoops. I'll just redo that. Get the height back. Control C. Change the ID. So this time it's going to refer to the orange. Save. And you can see they're both the same size. Let's make them smaller. So if I was to put 50-50, 50 pixels, save, and then let's have a look at that. And you can see a lot smaller. Okay. Right, so that's the first thing. I think maybe in one of the videos in the future is maybe you're prompted to enter in the name of a fruit and then that picture will appear. So I think that's what we'll do in one of the later videos. So again, we're just basically creating an identifier here, and that identifier is linking to some content from here. When you see it with the selection of if statements later, we can get specific pictures to appear by input. So let's say you want to look at a particular fruit, you type in apple, then the apple picture will appear instead of any other picture. Right, guys, I hope that makes sense. It was a nice short video. Make sure when you are doing this task, you're saving all of your files into one folder, including the pictures and the HTML files. So if I go to details, if you don't have the content in one folder, then it's not going to work. Right, guys, please join me in the next video. Thank you for your time, and drop your comments below, like and share, and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.